A question I often get asked by people is the timeline for when they're selling. What should you expect? After working with sellers here in Placer County, it's a question we get asked all the time. Hi, I'm Lori McIntosh with eXp Realty. First, we need to get the home ready for sale. You have to be careful not to just put the home in MLS prior to having it in show-ready condition. This will give you an idea of a few things that you need to think about prior to actually letting buyers go into your home. After we meet and you decide to list with me, I will give you a contract to sign called the Residential Listing Agreement. Once we have an executed contract, we will then schedule an appointment with our stager if needed to come over and give you a recommendation on what exactly you need to do to enhance the appearance of your home to get the maximum return on your investment. ROI is huge, right? Don't worry, there's no additional cost to you for this service, but it's essential because research shows the importance of staging in relation to the amount of money that you'll get on your home, as well as how quickly your home will sell. We also offer free partial staging of your home. It costs you nothing. Once your home is in show-ready condition, then we will schedule our professional photographer and videographer to your home to capitalize on all the unique features of your home. When we have the pictures and the video, we will then work on all the back-end digital marketing so you can expose your home to the masses. This is one of the most important parts of getting you the most amount of money on your home. We don't just put up a sign and put it on the MLS. It's much more detailed than that. We have a very strategic, comprehensive digital marketing strategy that we utilize that is like no other. This involves running highly targeted ad campaigns across multiple social media platforms. My preferences are YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. Please know, by just posting your home on a Facebook page or on a business page, only about 3% of people are actually seeing it. And I have 3,500 friends and still it's only 3%. So we properly expose your home across multiple social media platforms. I forgot LinkedIn. During this time, we also talked about whether you should have any inspections done prior to going onto MLS. Next, we'll go over all the disclosures with you. So we'll have these available for the buyer to review, keeping them fully aware of the condition of the home prior to making an offer. Don't forget, we go onto all the major sites like Zillow, Realtor.com, you name it, we're there. And we have enhanced these sites to get optimum performance. Now that we're live, you can actually expect agents to be calling you to take their clients through the home so they can see it. Actually, they're gonna call me. The buyer's agent, who's a professional realtor like myself, will accompany them. So you don't worry about that, okay? We're good. Depending on the time of year and the market conditions, that will determine how long it will take to get your home to sell. I'm Lori McIntosh with eXp Realty.